for tonight, and thank you for this opportunity, and thank you that we are gathering all the consultants. Thank you for your goodness, and thank you for that you always give us good things, oh Lord God, and good blessings, oh Lord God. And I pray, Lord God, that continue to bless this office, Lord God, for RK Enterprise, and also our CEO, Lord God, bless them, oh Lord God, not only here in Madrid, but also in Switzerland and Germany, oh Lord God. Thank you so much, Lord God, because we know you, we know, Lord God, that without you, we cannot do anything, oh Lord God. Thank you for your guidance, and thank you for your protection, and thank you that you are helping us, that we can share this salad master to the people, oh Lord God. We are not here for selling, but we are here to share the goodness and the healthy of the salad master. And thank you for tonight, oh Lord God, and I pray, Lord God, that continue to bless this office, and also I pray, Lord God, that you're going to bless the food that we're going to partake tonight, and I pray, Lord God, give us the strength, and tomorrow we have also presentation. I pray, Lord God, that you're going to bless our presentation tomorrow. And thank you so much, and this food, oh Lord